Hey everyone, Greg Hould here with OpsCore, product manager. Showing you the new amp headset, or it's been out for a little while now, about a year. This is the new selected SOCOM headset that's being fielded now. Great thing about this headset now, the down leads are completely removable, so it's fully modular. So if you want to run left down lead, you can swap over to right down lead. You can run two down lead systems. You can be running one PTT system. You're working with another local force and you have another radio that you get. You can run a whole completely different system on the other side, tie into an intercom, whatever you need to do. Or if you just need a good hearing protector, you don't need comms capability, you can disconnect it all together. Also, the boom mic can be swapped side to side. Once again, just like the cable, or it can be removed entirely if you're not doing operations where you need communications, you can get it completely out of the way. The other side, where the boom mic's not plugged into, you can hook up to a respirator, gas mask, oxygen mask, and then still have good comms capability through your mask mic. Other cool capability is with these earplugs here, you put these in your ear, you press this button, and the audio will actually transfer into the earplug. Now, these are completely wireless, and they don't need to be charged. They take no power. What's happening here is inside the headset, there's a coil which creates a very short-range near-field magnetic inductive loop, which will drive the earplug and actually transfer your hear-through audio and your comms path into the earplug. The other great thing about these and the headset, it's completely communications fail-safe. So even if you don't have a battery in the headset, you will still have full receive and transmit capability even with the earplugs. So power is completely not necessary. When you put the earplugs in, you're going to go from a 22 dB NRR headset up to a 34 dB headset, which is unheard of really in this industry. Why this is great, any loud noise environment you find yourself in, whether it be on an air platform intercom, if you're doing a breaching operation, or any other loud noise environment that you can imagine, you're going to be covered. Even if your ear seal breaks on your headset for whatever reason, you have the earplugs in, you're fully protected. Headset's fully submersible down to a meter for an hour, runs off 2 AAA batteries, and it's going to give you 120 hours of battery life, which if you actually deep dive into a lot of the other headsets on the market, they might claim a little more, but usually they're tracking around 50. Other cool thing, you can pop the ear cups off the headband very easily, put the headband aside, and you can go back to headband mode. But with this rail mount kit, you can pop right onto your arc rail system, and just like that, right? If you want to go in event mode, pop the ear cup right up on the side of the helmet. You got some good airspace there, but you can still monitor your comms. If you're going to take a break for a longer time, you can completely stow it at the back and get it out of the way. Cool thing about the rail mount system is you're mounted at the back now. The top part is going to be completely free for other accessories. Right here you have an arm adjustment length, and you also have this single gimbal swivel point. Why this is cool is as you turn your head, this will actually move and swivel with you, and you'll get a good ear seal constantly. So the program that tested this said typically when they go to other rail mount systems, they see about a dB or 2 of degradation. This is the first rail mount that they tested where you actually went up in noise reduction. So pretty slick system. We hope you all get a chance to try it. Hearing's believing. Come down here, get one on your head. You're going to notice that you're still going to have the ability to localize sound when you put on the headset. Not only that, when you're at the highest, most volume setting, you'll be at 12 dB increased hearing. So you're going to be able to hear things that you otherwise wouldn't be able to. Thanks for coming by. Hey everyone, Greg Hould, product manager here at OpsCore. Want to show you the Modular Bungee Shroud, which ships on the Fast SF helmet, but it can also be purchased as a standalone accessory. So the Modular Bungee Shroud is the lightest weight shroud on the market right now. What you'll see is the bungees have actually moved from being over to the arc rail, but actually integral to the shroud itself, getting them out of the way and allowing for other accessories, like actually right here, our step-in visor. So other cool thing about the Modular Bungee Shroud is this plate here is now removable. You have these 2 set screws, the plate will slide right out, and new this year at SHOT Show, we are releasing our Anvis mounting plates. So you can replace this old style here, pop in, for some users who are still using Anvis mounts, pop in this insert plate. You don't have to worry about redrilling any proprietary shrouds onto your helmet. You can use it with a 3-hole pattern, and you're ready to rock. You're back up and running. So there, Anvis basically came from a lot of the aviation side of things, but there are quite a few heavy hitting ground users that are still using this style of adapter because it can provide power to your goggles. So shipping now, come and get them while they're hot. We're supporting all the night fighters out there, and appreciate you doing what you do.
If you like this video and want to support us, please check out the MIL-SPEC Monkey Store. Although known for morale patches, we also specialize in a good selection of DIY hardware and tactical accessories.